Welcome back to samaartmedia. I hope that all are doing good. Today we are going to see two kind of paintings. First I am moistening the board with a little bit of water, then using some titanium white for the background to the top of the board. I am using mini canvas board for this painting. Next I am using some aqua green to the bottom and some light green for the middle. Then using flat brush size 4 and blend the colors together. Next, using round brush size 2 for making leaf and flowers. Here I am using only two kind of brushes, the flat brush size 4 and round brush size 2. Now the miniature painting is ready. I have one light with plain glass in my house. This is the new idea that if you have any tabletop light, you can make it glorious one off by painting. For this I am using comb brush and picking some light green to make the grass effect bottom of the glass. Next, leaf green to the second layer. After making grass effect, next I am using round brush size 2 and make the flowers wherever you want. I am using orange and red to the flowers, but completely your choice. You can use any colors as your wish. I thought to show you, you can make it like this and decorate your house and your kids will like very much. It looks so beautiful in the evening too. Whatever, you have the hidden treasure of imaginations in you. So bring out your hidden treasure of imagination in you as painting. Here is your painting. Use your imaginations to achieve the picture you want. I meet you in my next painting. Thanks for watching.